So this is a paper chart, and it's the kind of chart that we use to navigate before we had chart plotters, and what we use when we don't have chart plotters that work because maybe we've taken on some water and destroyed our electrical system. It's pretty easy to navigate by chart, especially in a small coastal region like this when you're not in open water and you don't have to determine your latitude and longitude. The simple way to do it, as an example, I'm right here in Smuggler's Cove. I want to go over here to Beecher's Bay. So how far is it? Well, it's really easy to figure that out. All right, this is called a compass. It is something you all remember from probably 6th grade geometry. It's confusing because the magnetic device we use to determine which direction we're going is also called a compass. But here, the way we determine distance on a chart between 2 points that aren't in a straight line is pretty simple. You just set your compass to a known value. I'm going to use 2.5 nautical miles just to make everything really complicated. And we're going to go from my starting position here at Smuggler's Cove over here to Beecher's Bay. And I want to know how far that is, the route that I'm actually going to sail. So I'm going to start where I'm at with a pin that, and then I'm going to walk it the route I'm going to take. 2.5, 5, the half, 10, the half, 15, the half, 20, the half, 25, the half, 30. So it's 30, probably 31 miles between Smuggler's Cove and Beecher's Bay. Now, to stay on course manually, we have to know what heading we're going to take and compare that with our compass constantly. The way you determine what your heading is going to be is to take your major line, which in this case, and you can do this for every line, I'm just going to do it for the major line, which is this direction right here along the top of this. And I align it, I'll actually just go over here. So going along the top of this line, that's going to be my sailing route. And I just align it with the plus sign in the middle of this printed rosette. And that value right there is my true north heading. I have to adjust that because compass north is different than true north. You can see that magnetic right here is offset from true north because the magnetic North Pole is not the same place as the axis of the Earth. And so my magnetic compass reading is on the magnetic line right here. So I will be going 260, 1, 2, 3. So I just need to make sure that my compass on the binnacle of the boat is always aligned to 263 as I'm manually steering, and I will get where I intend to go.